Hello everyone. We are doing a new video, and this video is going to talk about uh, anxiety, depression, and suicide. So, firstly, my prayers to Sushant, Sushant sir, who because people are saying that he, took the step of suicide. We are really not sure about what the situation completely is, but my prayers to him, and may his soul rest in peace. So the reason why I made this video is that because Sushant's death has been a personal hurt for everyone in India. Okay, everyone is so personally hurt. I want to tell everyone that there are a lot of people who are giving their lives. Okay, and depression, anxiety, stress, these were very normal things. Everyone used to take it lightly. These things are now loneliness. Okay, these things now are taking lives of people. Okay, now, and these are serious things nowadays, and it should not be taken lightly. So friends like me, people like me, people who are elder than me, what should we do? Kya kare? Should we always be around friends? Will that solve our problem? Should we what should we really do so that this depression, this anxiety, the stress in our head, it's not there? ठीक है, तो this video is about that कि कैसे इस चीज से लड़े. How do we fight against these kind of things? How do we be at peace, right? So they say that be with your friends, engage more. There is loneliness. Can we always be with our friends? Right? Is our friends going to, in this highly competitive, stressful, and dog eat dog world, right, is really someone going to give you that much of time, attention, right? No one can, right? A lot of the things in this life, the competitions, the obstacles, the problems, the disappointments, all of that, however rich you are, whatever is the situation, you will have to face it, unfortunately, alone. ठीक है, तो क्या करें, right? People say friends is a remedy. Friends is a remedy. It's a temporary remedy. It's not a long lasting remedy. ठीक है, कुछ हो गया तो उस पर छोटा सा कुछ टेम्पररी रेमेडी लगा दिया. ठीक है, so that does not help in the long run at all. So I'll give you this one thing which I think, as per my understanding, is a solution. Okay, so because I'm also a human being, I also face a lot of pressure, lot of things are happening around. So lot of these things happen to me also. One of the things which I have started doing and which has helped me a lot is that joining a group of people who are practicing spirituality, who are practicing meditation, who are practicing who are like masters, who are gurus, right? So please don't try to make a religious angle out of this. This is really for mental wellness. Okay, and if you think that I'm trying to promote some kind of thing, please see, I'm not going to I'm going to say these are things which are going to help me. Okay, if those facilities are available within your own religious beliefs, please follow them. These are things which are helping me. Okay, if you are able to find it in some other setting, please do. But please try to understand that you need to really take care of your mental wellness, and because it's very important. Now let us come to the my experience and how it's helping me, and why you should also think about doing this. Okay, so today there is lot of competition. ठीक है, lot of people are achieving lot of things today, and lot of pressure is created, ठीक है, through social media, through parents, through academics. Everything is competition. Everything is literally, even social media is also competition, right? That guy has 2 cars, that guy has 3 cars. Academics, this person is this rank, that person is this rank, right? Whatever, everything has become competition today. If everything is becoming competition, competition will create comparison, right? The reason, the basis of the basis of competition is comparison. And if you keep comparing, comparison creates stress. That fellow has this much, that fellow has this much. So stress is going to be very bad for you. Stress will create anxiety, stress will create depression, stress will create not unhappiness, and you know, people are taking the step. So kya kare? One of the first things which I started doing is that I did not really join a group, ठीक है. I started, but I recommend that, ठीक है. I started following Shri Ravi Shankar's B&D TV, Bava and Dinesh TV. It's on YouTube, ठीक है. So initially I started, they keep talking about so many topics: depression, anxiety, commitment, relationships, alcoholism, ठीक है. So what is happening is, I had a lot of inbuilt pressure, and because obviously subconsciously or consciously I am comparing myself to a lot of things, and it is always there कि I should be here, but this is the present situation, what to do. And even though I'm not consciously thinking about it, inside there is lot of pressure. I'm dealing with a lot of pressure consciously or subconsciously, it's there, ठीक है. But what happened when I started seeing the videos of Bava and Dinesh, what they're constantly trying to you know, indirectly or directly, they cover these topics ki, you know, if there is stress, you need to understand that people move from one success to another success. Don't try to you know, completely you know, focus on something, and if you're not able to reach there or you're not there, you try to start blaming yourself, you try to start being hard on yourself. Instead of that, you try to go from success to success, ठीक है. Take one step, take another step, treat it as a success, and go keep pursuing that. All these things help you to pick yourself up, ठीक है. It helps you to not fall, ठीक है. To be peaceful, you need guidelines, ठीक है. This is unfortunately not being taught in any kind of academics. They don't teach it in any place. Only mental health, physical health, mental well-being, these topics are being covered in most of the spiritual communities, ठीक है. ईशा ग्रुप, गायत्री परिवार, this thing, BK Shivani Didi, and what is that, Shri Ravi Shankar, right? When you see most of their videos, what are they talking about? See, they talk about how to manage life, how to deal life. And if people and if friends and family are not part of their group, I think it is going to be very, very difficult to survive in the world tomorrow, because 90% of the time we are seeing competitive material, competitive content, meaning तुम ऐसा कंटेंट देख रहे हो directly indirectly which causes stress inside you, which builds stress. What are you seeing? Some actor and actress looking like God. Some in music videos, you're seeing a video, you will see some actress looking like literally flawless. Then you see some person driving so many cars. You see one guy surrounded with 15 girls in some videos, and you see one person, he's throwing money or something. These are the kind of content which is mostly, you know, which is the most popular thing, videos which come up in our Instagram, Snapchat and so many things. Okay, so subconsciously these videos we consume and it builds stress, we start comparing and what not is happening. What I'm saying is, if you are part of this spiritual groups, right, Shivani, BK Shivani, Brahma Kumari, yes, I was forgetting the word, it was Brahma Kumari's this one group, Isha group, Sadgurus led by Sadguru, then Sri Ravi Shankar's group. There are numerous groups. You can follow any group which belongs to your own religious beliefs. I am not ambassador of any kind of these people. I also keep switching from one to another depending upon my interests and what I want. But I am saying you one thing, at the very least, give some time, 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute, listen to their videos, because what will happen is, this competition है ना, उसके साथ we are in the rat race. Everyone is in the rat race unless you're Ambani or something like that. How to manage your life when you're in the rat race? Believe it or not, they were in BND TV, they were talking about conflicts. So beautifully he is talking that, conflict is never going to run away from your life. If your physical body is good, mental body will have problem. Mental body is good, physical body is good, there will be financial problems. Financial problems से हट गए तो उसके बाद relationship, कुछ ना कुछ आते ही जाएगा. You can never run out of conflicts. The only thing you need to do is to learn to be comfortable in a situation of conflict. ठीक है? Only if someone is talking to you about this continuously, if you are in that group, if you are in that setting, depression or anxiety and lot of things से manage करने का शक्ति मिलेगा. You are not in a religious group, rather you are in a religious group which is helping your mental health, mental well-being. Do not join or affiliate yourself if you feel that you do not wish to be labeled. ठीक है? But if you can, do join these kind of groups. ठीक है? Yes, they try to advertise their programs and lot of things and make huge amounts of money. If you are not willing to spend, join them on YouTube, see their YouTube channels regularly. What I am saying is, regularly consume the content which is helping your mental health and mental well-being. Join it like that. Join it in a free module. ठीक है? Else this pressure, this conflicts, continuous consumption of competitive content consumption is equal to stress. Every time you watch a video, try to understand that will, if it is a music video, if that is some person who is looking flawless, some actor, actress, they bought some new something, all of these things are going to create some kind of stress within you, because directly or indirectly kuch bhi kar lo, your mind will compare you with that person. If that person is a spiritual person and they are talking about aise karo, the spiritual things will come into you, the good things will come, mental health benefiting things will come to you. ठीक है? If that person is not see, whatever happens, your brain will judge the other person. Now see those things when that uplifts you as a person. When you judge the other person, that makes you do good things. Okay? If you see Sri Ravi Shankar, he will incite good actions from you. Okay? If you see some other person, other things will come. So judging is automatic. Don't think that I will see this video and I will not judge it. Okay? Your mental faculty is aligned in such a way that तुम automatically judge करोगे. ठीक है। तो ऐसा वीडियो देखो जिसमें जजमेंट तो हो रहा है बट तुमसे अच्छा यू आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स पॉजिटिविटी, ठीक है, पॉजिटिव एक्शंस को का बिल्डअप हो रहा है ताकि तुम्हारा मेंटल वेलबींग अच्छा से हो सके, ठीक है। सो लेट्स कंक्लूड दिस वीडियो एंड आई जस्ट वांट टू से वन थिंग, ठीक है, टू रिमेन सेन एंड टू रिमेन पॉजिटिव, सत, to sat, yeah, what is that? They our parents keep saying that sat, you need to surround yourself with good people, okay, and you need to put yourself into the right groups, okay, and only then you will be able to manage these kind of pressure and conflict, else it is going to be very, very difficult. My suggestion for you is that please dedicate part of your time to seeing videos of BND TV, of Isha Group, of Sri Sri Ravi Shankar, of Brahma Kumari, so that when they talk about life now, those things will help you to deal with this pressureful life on earth, okay, and they'll help you to, they will talk about depression, they will break the signs, they break it, they will tell कि depression ये है, depression में वो होता है, तो इस चीज को कैसे इसके साथ डील करें, so these things will help you, ठीक है, and don't, and see the thing in most of the this thing, most of our teachers say that when I talk about Hrithik Roshan, you all know whom he married, who what he did. Arey Baba, if you want me to idolize Richard Branson, Elon Musk, or Warren Buffett, are there content being taught in this thing, colleges and schools and universities? For me to make my hero as Warren Buffett or Elon Musk, is his content being taught? Most of the times hero these type of content come from the actors, so they become our actors, okay. But if the university, and if you have to change, try to understand, you need to idolize the right people, okay, and then do the changes in your life, okay. And I hope I was helpful, and these are the basic guidelines which I was able to understand, which is helping me, and I hope it was able to help you also deal with tough times, okay. So I'll just tell it one more line. Oh, sorry, I try to keep repeating things. Try to watch videos of certain communities or channels which deal about how to live your life properly, okay. They will tell about the science and these things. Try to watch those YouTube channels so that you can be more peaceful. Conflicts will keep on happening, okay. Wherever you are, it will happen. ऊपर हो, नीचे हो, middle में हो, जहाँ, everything. So you need these things, okay. So all the best, and I hope it was helpful.